siomai, insect frito, siopaw. Dumating na yung delivery natin from North Park. Ayan, sakto gutom na kami. We ordered our North Park favorites. Syempre, hindi mawawala. China chicken, good for sharing. Of course, stir-fried. Beef with broccoli, yang chow fried rice, sweet and sour pork, roast pork, at yung ating mga noodles and congee. So, sakto naman dahil nag-order tayo around 3 p.m., meron pala silang afternoons set deals. So, ayan, itong mga set deals, if you ordered siopaw plus nai chow with jelly, that's 148 pesos only. Pwede namang pinsek frito plus nai chow and jelly. Or siomai 4 pieces with naicha jelly. 148 pesos lang. O 'di ba? Parang may mini feast ka na, very convenient magpa-deliver sa North Park. Order online via northparkdelivery.com. Let's eat!